So what's up again mga kabeshi? Good day or lavas fritas dito sa Lithuania. So for today's video mga kabeshi is pupuntahan natin itong tinatawag nilang 3 crosses, no? So excited ako ipakita sa inyo mga kabeshi. So Lave Fina, wow. It's so nice here. No, ganda dito mga kabeshi, sobra. So yun lang. So can't wait na. Kaya nga lang, ang hirap lang akyatin ng 3 crosses na to. May penalty pang kasama. Diba? So yun nga mga kabeshi, meron din silang sign dito papunta ng 3 crosses, no? So, ayun. Ang ganda ng puno na to mga kabeshi.
So it's exploded.
Yeah. So that's why it fall down.
Well, they exploded them.
Oh.
They exploded.
The Soviet Union.
Yes, the one when the Soviets occupied. So then you see that yes, when they were built, and the remains of the crosses.
This is what's remain. And how long this crosses was?
Well, so it was in the 40s, late 40s probably.
Wow.
Maybe in the early 50s. They were built.
And that's the symbolize. This is the real one.
These are the old ones. Yes.
Oh, wow. This is. Oh, wow. But it's so nice, you know, because they stay there, you know. It stays.
Spoon now on eBay. Even little kit.
Okay, no pažiūrim.
Just hold it, chops going up.
Na, mama. Einam. Nu va, ir užlipsi į didžiausią Lietuvos kalną. Nu.
Well, 3 hills. Yes. 3 crosses. 3 crosses.
3 kryžiai.
Wow. The hill of 3 crosses. Yes.
And you see, Anna, the view.
Oh wow. And the view of Vilnius. Wow. Charles?
No.
You really need just like that.
Jag tror skrämmer.
Ja. O ten apačioje tas parkas kiek labai.
Kur?
Čia reikia bėgiojam. Atsimeni, čia va Gedimino kalnas.
Yeah. So yun na nga mga kabeshi, no, tapos na nating pasyalin yung tinatawag nilang the 3 crosses dito sa Vilnius. So napakaganda niya and pipicturean ko yung story nito, no mga kabeshi, para meron kayong basahin, para may background kayo kung ano talagang istorya ng 3 crosses na to. Alright, so thank you so much mga kabeshi sa panunood and see you sa ating next live ay sa ating video at marami pa po akong isi-share sa inyo. Thank you guys. Greetings from Vilnius.